Hello friends, in this video we will starting with our next PHP class, the increment and decrement operators in PHP. Increment and decrement operators in PHP are used to increase or decrease a variable's value by 1. You can pre-increment the variable's value or post-increment, pre-decrement and post-decrement. Now we will see one by one. Here I have to declare one variable as $a and give the value as 5, and next it is the example of pre-increment. So in the echo statement, the variable's value pre-incremented $a and print it echo $a. Now here the localhost or folder name and file name 66. Now we have to use here break, save it. We have to give a dot. Now here you can see the $a is equals to 5 and it is incremented by 1, it giving the output as 6, and when we print it, the 6 is printing. Now the pre-increment, it increases the value of a variable by 1 before using it. Now here I give the echo statement as pre-increment. Here I will give a break so that it will print it on the next line. Next, the same but uses the post increment. After the variable, we have to give the plus symbol, post increment. Now save this and exit. You can see the pre-increment, it increases the value of a variable by 1 before using it. It is incremented first, then it will use. But in post increment, the uses the value of variable first, then it is increased by 1. Means it will first use as 5. Next, after the process, it will increase the variable's value by 1. So it gives the when we first print it, it will give the output as 5. Next, after using it, it will give the output as 6. Now we'll see the decrement. Now we will see the decrement operator. First we print a statement as pre-decrement, next give the $a variable's value as 5 and let's print it $a pre-decrement. So next again print it $a, save this. Similar to pre-increment, the pre-decrement works, but it decrements the variable's value by 1 before it is in use. Next, the post-decrement. Same, copy this and give the heading as post-decrement and the minus symbol after the variable. Next, save it and execute. It will first use the same, and next when after the process, it will decrement the variable's value by 1. Now next we will move to our next operator, that is string manipulation operators. The dot operator, it used to concatenation, and the second one is dot equals to, used to concatenation assignment. This operator I have already explained it to you, but once again I will show it to you. Here I am declaring one variable as text and giving the value as hello. Next, with the same operator, I am concatenating another string as dot, using the dot equals to, and in double quotes I am giving the value as world. Now when we print that, it gives output as hello world. The string is $text. Save it. You can see the string is hello world. Now the dot operator, here at the echo statement as well, we can use the dot operator as the string is equals to. Here we can use the dot operator and give the dollar variable, and now save it. First I will give here a break so that it will come to the next line. Here you can see the string is equals to hello world. Now we will move to our next operator, the PHP conditional assignment operators. The ternary operator in PHP is a shorthand for an if-else statement. The syntax is first we have to give the condition, then question mark. Here the expression 2 is executed if the condition is true, and the expression 3 is executed when our condition is false. Now we will execute small example on this. Now here I am declaring one variable as $age and gives the value as 20, and next printing that the $age is greater than or equals to 18. This is our condition. After the condition you have to give the question mark, then just here we're giving a string. If the condition is true, then this has to be print as you are adult. You are adult, and next give the colon, and if the condition is fail, this has to print. You are a minor. Next save this. It works similarly as if-else statement. You are an adult. Now the next operator is null coalescing. The null coalescing operator uses the double question mark, is used to return the first operand if it is exist or is not null, otherwise it returns the second operand. It is useful for checking if the variable is set or has the default value. The syntax is like this. Now we directly go to the example of null coalescing. Here I am declaring one variable as $name and giving the value as null, and another default variable giving the value as user. Next, another variable as display name is equals to $name double question mark dollar default. Now print the display name variable. It gives the output as user, as the name variable's value initialized as null. Here you can see user.